The 2017 Hyundai Santa Fe. Style, quality, performance, value. Need we say more? Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, power liftgate, power passenger seat, third row seat, leather wrapped steering wheel, driver lumbar, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, four-wheel ABS, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, aluminum wheels, keyless start, AM/FM stereo radio, universal garage door opener, front-wheel drive, rear defrost, auto-off headlights. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.